Hi, mathematicians. Today we're doing some more 2 and 3-digit subtraction with and without regrouping. All right, so let's do a few practice problems first to remind you how to do them, and then you'll do it on your own after. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is come to your ones place and say, can I do this subtraction problem? Can I take 2 away from 7? And if you can, well then go ahead and do it. And in this case, I can. I can take 2 away from 7, and I get 5. Then go to the next place value. I'm in the tens column now. Can I take 8 away from 3? No. 8 is more than 3, so I can't take 8 away from 3. I need to go over and borrow from the hundreds place. So I need to be seeing this on your work. You need to cross out and take 1 away. So if I take 1 away from 6, I'll still have 5 left. Okay, and then put what you just took away in front of the tens place. So now it's 13 minus 8. Can I do that? Yes, you can, because that top number is bigger than the bottom number. Okay, so let's do 13 minus 8. Good job. That's 5. And then we can take away 1 from 5, and that is 4. All right. So if you were to have just written 455 and you didn't do any of this work up here, it wouldn't be counted correct because you could have just gone and done it on a calculator and not really done the work yourself, even if you did it in your head. I don't know that unless you show me. Okay, so I need to see that work to prove that you know what you're doing. All right. Okay, this next one. I can already see, looking at this problem, that my ones place, that top number is smaller than the bottom number, and in my tens place, the top number is smaller than my bottom number. So I'm going to have to borrow twice, all right? Because I cannot take 7 away from 3. And look, can I go and borrow from the tens place? If there's 0 there, can I take something away from 0? No. So I'm going to have to go over to this hundreds place and take 1 away from the hundreds place. Okay, so take 1 away from the hundreds place and I still have 2. Now, I can't just jump back over to the ones place and put that 1 that I took away right here. I can't do that. I have to first put it in the tens place before I can bring it over to the ones place. So I'm going to put it in the tens place first, and then now I can take 1 away from 10, so I can put 1 in front of the ones place, right? So now we can do 13 minus 7. Go ahead and do that. Good job, 6. And then can I do 9 minus 6? Can I take away 6 from 9? Yes, you can, because that top number is bigger than the bottom number. Go ahead and do that. Good job, that's 3. And 2 minus, well, there's nothing there, so 2 take away nothing is still 2. Okay, so that you'll see some problems on your page that may not need any borrowing from the neighbor. Make sure you are asking yourself the question of, is the top number bigger than the bottom number each time in each place value? And if the answer is no, then borrow. But if the answer is yes, go ahead and subtract. You're good to go. Make sure you show all of your work and turn this in at the end.